children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about division. So let's start with that. Tina and her 4 friends got a packet of sweets. They decided to share the sweets among themselves. First, Tina distributed 1 sweets each to all 5 of them. Then 1 or more to everyone, and finally 1 each more till and the sweets finished. Okay, so here it is a like that one. ये toffee is given है हमारी. So 1, 2, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So each of them got 3 sweets like that. 3 sweets and so on. So 15 divided by 5 हमारा कितना निकला? 3 बेटा. So division means equal sharing or distributions. It is also repeated subtractions of the same number. Divided is this sign is the symbol of division. Thus the number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The answer obtained on division is called the quotient beta. I hope you understood well. So now next, division as forming groups. We may take 16 divided by 8 as how many 8s are there in 16. So let's take 16 stars and divide them into group of 8 each. So here it is a star. Clearly there are 2 groups. ये 2 groups हैं, 1 group and 1 groups. Okay. So how many 8s are there in 16? So clearly 2. So hence 16 को 8 से हम divide करेंगे. So answer is 2 beta. Hope you understood well. So now move on next. This is division as repeated subtractions. Suppose we have to divide 8 by 4. Okay. So 8 divided by 4 means to find how many 4s are there in a 8. 8 में कितने 4s हैं? So let's take 8 objects, go on subtracting 4 as shown below. The total number of objects है 8, take away 4 in that diagram like that. Number of remaining objects कितने हैं? 4. Then take away 4 again. दोबारा हम इसमें से 4 निकाल लेंगे. So number of remaining object now is 0 like that way. So how many times 4 has been subtracted? Clearly 2 times. एक बारी इस तरीके से हमने subtract करा और एक बारी हमने यहाँ पर subtract करा. So we can say that how many 4s are there in a 8? Clearly 2. Hence 8 divided by 4 is answer 2. Hope you understood well. So now move on next. This is division on number line. अब number line पे कैसे divide करते हैं? Let's see. Example number 1. Use number line to find 10 divided by 2. That means to find 10 divided by 2 means to find how many 2s are there in a 10. 10 में कितने 2s हैं? Look at the number line given below. Like in that, start from 10. 10 से हम start करेंगे. Okay. And take back moves of 2. Each 2 reach 0 as shown below. क्योंकि हमने 10 को हम 2 से डिवाइड करने पे हम कितने how many moves of 2s each? कितने moves लिए उसने? 5. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and this is 5. So we can say that 5 moves उसने लिए. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Hope you understood. Now example 2. Use number line to find 16 divided by 8. To find 16 divided by 8 means to find how many 8s are there in 16. Look at the number line given below. Like in that, start from 16. 16 से start करेंगे and take back 8 moves of 8. Okay. So to reach 0 as shown below. So 16 से एक move लिया, 8 और फिर से एक move लिया, तो हम आ गए 0 पे. So how many moves? 8 each? Clearly 2. So 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2 beta. Hope you understood well. So now move on next. Texting time 8.1. So here it is given. Look at the group of objects and fill in the blanks. These are the objects. So first one is how many pineapples are there in all? Total pineapples कितने हैं? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So write it 14. After that, how many pineapples are there in each group? एक ग्रुप में कितने हैं हमारे? So एक ग्रुप में हमारे ये 2 हैं. So we just write it 2. After that, how many groups are formed? Groups कितने बने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We just write it 7. Then how many? Yes, 2s are there in a 14. 14 में 2s कितने निकल के आए हमारे? ये हमारे निकल के आ गए 14 में कितने 2s हैं? 7. एंड आफ्टर दैट 14 को अगर हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे वी जस्ट गेट इट 7 बेटा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. So these are the other example. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So now next. Relations between multiplications and divisions. So let's have 4 bunches of 3 leaves each. Total number of leaves कितने हो गए? 4 into 3, 12. Yes. So how many trees are there in 12? Clearly 4 beta. So therefore 12 divided by 3 हमारे कितने होते हैं? 4. So again divide the 12 leaves into 4 bunches. How many leaves are there in each bunch? Clearly 3. So that is why we say that 12 को divide करेंगे 4 से, so हमारा आंसर आएगा 3. Thus the multiplications fact 4 into 3 is equal to 12 gives rise to 2 division facts. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 and 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. It is also clear that division is the inverse of multiplications. Hope you understood well. Now move on. Next beta. This is texting time 8.2. Question first. Write 2 division facts for each of the following multiplications fact. अब आपको इसके division fact लिखने हैं. So start with that. First one is given 4 into 2 हमारे कितने होते हैं? 8. तो इसका division fact क्या हो जाएगा? If we just divide it 8 by 2, we get it 4. Okay, 2 4s are 8. And if we just divide it 8 by 2, we get it 8 with 4. Okay, so अगर हम 8 को 4 के साथ करेंगे divide, we just get it 2. Hope you understood well, beta. So this is how you have to find out the division fact of that one. Now move on, next one. This is properties of divisions. We know that any number into 1 number itself होता है. Let's study the division fact based on multiplications fact as given below. Multiplications fact and division fact. So 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So 2 1s are 2 का division fact क्या हो गया? 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Similarly 3 into 1 का 3 division fact this one. 5 into 5 का डिवीज़न फैक्ट ये है और 9 into 9 का डिवीज़न फैक्ट हमारा हो गया ये एंड सो ऑन बेटा. ओके, सो नाउ प्रॉपर्टी 1. When a non-zero number is divided by 1, the question is the number itself. Thus अगर 4 को अगर हम 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर हमारा आएगा 4. सिमिलरली अगर हम 8 को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर आएगा नंबर इटसेल्फ. Hope you understood. Now property 2 हमारी है. When a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. 2 divided by 2, अगर हम 2 को 2 के साथ डिवाइड कर रहे हैं so we get it 1. 3 को 3 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे so we get it 1 itself बेटा. Hope you understood. So now property 3. Dividing any number by 0 has no meaning. किसी नंबर को 0 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे इसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. Let's try to divide 4 by 0 by the use of repeated subtractions. That means 4 को 0 से अगर हम माइनस करेंगे तो 4 का 4, then 4 को 0 से माइनस करा again 4 and so on beta. I hope you understood this property. Now move on. Next beta, this is property 4. When 0 is divided by any non-zero number, the quotient is 0. We know that any number into 0 is 0. 0 के साथ किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करने पे आंसर हमारा 0 ही आता है. सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल 3 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, 7 into 0 0 बेटा. होप यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल प्रॉपर्टी वेरी नाइसली. नाउ मूव ऑन टेक्सटिंग टाइम 8.3. सो हेयर इट इज फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. 9 डिवाइडेड बाई 1. 9 को हम 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे सो वी गेट इट 9. ओके, 1 9s are 9. सिमिलरली 24 को 1 से करेंगे सेम नंबर. So I hope you understood well. These are the other examples. You have to complete it your own. So next topic is beta division using multiplications tables, long division method. Okay. So let's start with that. Example number 1. Divide 54 by 9. 54 को 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे यूजिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल के थ्रू. Solution is here. Step number 1, arrange the numerals as shown herewith. Step number 2, recite the multiplications table of 9 till you come to 54. Clearly 9 goes into 54 6 times. So quotient हमारा बन गया 6 like that way. Okay. So write the quotients above the dividend as shown. Now step number 3, 9 into 6 हमारे होते हैं 54. So write 54 before the dividend and subtract. 54 में से 54 माइनस करेंगे then is equal to 0. Thus we get 0 as remainder. Therefore 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6 बेटा. So here हमारा dividend क्या है? Yes, 54, divisor 9, quotient 6 and remainder 0 in that. I hope you understood well. So now note. In such problems where remainder is 0, we always have divisor into quotient is equal to dividend minus remainder. Divisor into quotients plus remainder हमारा क्या होता है? Dividend बेटा. Hope you understood well. So now next बेटा. Simple problems on equal sharing. Example number 2. A man distributes 27 apples among 9 children. Then how many apples does each child get? So let's see the solutions. Total number of apples कितने हमारे? Yes, 27. And total number of children 9. So हम क्या कहेंगे? Clearly we have to divide 27 apples into 9 groups. So number of apples with each child कितना मिला उसे? Number of apples in each group, that means 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. So hence each child gets 3 apples. I hope you understood well. So this is the answer. Okay. So now move on next one. This is texting time 8.4. So here it is given, find the quotients when 12 divided by 4. So अगर हम 12 को 4 से divide करेंगे so answer कितना आ जाएगा? 4 how many is 12? So write 8, 4, 3 is 12. So this is our answer beta. I hope you understood well. So now B part. Solve the following. So here it is given, a man gives 20 bananas to 4 monkeys equally. एक आदमी ने 20 बनानास कितने monkeys को दिए? 4 monkeys को दिए और वो भी बराबर बराबर. Then how many bananas does each monkey get? तो एक monkey को कितने banana मिले? So this is a divide sum. So how to do this? So here it is given, कितने bananas हैं? 20. So write it 20. And monkeys कितने हैं? Number of monkeys are 4. Then 4 5s are 20. So एक monkey को 5 bananas मिले. Okay. I hope you clear. Now move on next one, which is division without remainder by long division method. So here it is given, example number 1, divide 48 by 2. Okay. So now solution, step number 1, arrange the numbers as shown here. पहले numbers को arrange करेंगे. After that हम क्या करेंगे? Step 2, divide 4 tens by 2. Now 4 tens divided by 2, that means 2 tens. Write 2 in the tens place in the quotient. So now 2 into 2 is equal to 4 tens. So write 4 in tens place below the dividend. After that, step number 3, 4 tens minus 4 tens is equal to 0. So write 0 10 as shown and bring down 8 ones. Now step number 4, divide 8 ones by 2. So 8 ones को 2 से divide करेंगे, हमें कितना मिलेगा? 4. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे उसके बाद? क्वोशंट पे उसको 4 लिख देंगे. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 5, सब्सट्रैक्ट 8 माइनस 8 होते हैं हमारे 0. सो वी कैन से दैट डिविडेंड हमारा हुआ 48, डिवाइजर वी गेट 2, क्वोशंट हमें मिला 24 और रिमाइंडर हमारे पास आया 0, लाइक इन दैट में. ओके. नाउ चेक योर आंसर. डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशंट इज इक्वल टू कितना होना चाहिए? Yes, dividend. So that means 24 into 2, 48. Hence, the answer is verified. I hope you understood all steps nicely. Example 2. divide 936 by 3. So solution step number 1, arrange the numbers as shown here. After that, divide 900s by 3. Like in that way, now 900s divided by 3, that means कितना होता है हमारा 300s. So write 3 in the 100 place in the quotients. After that, bring down 3 tens, that means divide 3 by 3. So 3 tens को divide करेंगे 3 से. Now you get 1 10. After that, write 1 in the tens place in the quotients. Now step number 4, bring down 6 ones. So उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, divide 6 ones by 3. That means 6 ones divided by 3 is equal to 2 ones. So write 2 in the ones place in the quotients. Hence we can say that 936 divided by 3 is equal to 312 beta. I hope you understood well. Now texting time 8.5. Here it is given, divide and find the quotient. So divide करते हैं हम इसको. Let's start with first one. 48 को हमने divide करना है 2 से. So 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 में से 4 हमारे माइनस होंगे, nothing, or we can say that 0. Now 8 bring down, 2 4 ज़ा 8. So 8 में से 8 माइनस गए, so 0. So 24 is the answer of that particular one. I hope you understood well. So these are the other examples. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So now move on beta. Next one, this is division with regrouping. So here it is given, example number 1, 48 by 4, and check your answers, solutions. Step number 1, arrange the numerals as shown here. So divide 4 tens by 4, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Write 1 in tens place in the quotients and 4 below 4. So 4 tens minus 4 tens is equal to, yes, 0 tens. Now step number 3, bring down 8 ones, that means divide 8 ones by 4. So 4 को 2 से multiply किया हमने, आया 8. Now write 2 in a ones place in the quotient and 8 below it. After that, 8 1 में से हम 8 ones minus करेंगे, that means 0 ones. So we get 0 remainder. Thus we have dividend हमारा आया, yes बेटा 48, and after that divisor हमें मिला 4, quotient we get it 12 and remainder 0. Now check, divisor into quotient is equal to dividend, that means 4 को 12 से हमने multiply करा, we get 48. So we can say that 48 divided by 4, that means 12. Hence the answer is correct beta. I hope you understood well. Now example number 2. Here it is given, divide 735 by 3. So solutions. हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, arrange करेंगे numerals को like that way. Now divide 7 hundreds by 3. 3 goes into 7 2 times and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Write 2 in a hundreds place and in the quotients and 6 below 7. Now 7 में से 6 minus गया, yes 100. Now after that step number 3 में क्या करेंगे, bring down 3 tens. Now 100 plus 3 tens, that means 13 tens. Divide 13 tens by 3. 3 goes in 13 4 times, means 3 into 4 कितने होते हैं हमारे, yes 12. After that write 4 in a tens place in the quotient and 12 below 13. So अब 13 में से हम 12 को minus करेंगे, we get it beta 110. Okay. Now step number 4, bring down 5 ones. अब 5 नीचे लेके आएंगे. Now 110 plus 5 ones हमारे कितने बन गए, 15 ones. So divide 15 ones by 3. After that हम क्या करेंगे, 3 goes into 15 5 times and 3 into 5 हमारे होते हैं 15. So after that write 5 in a ones place in the quotient and 15 below 15. Now 15 ones minus 15 ones कितने होते हैं हमारे, 0 ones. Therefore remainder हमारा क्या बना, 0 and quotient 245. Okay. So likewise 4 digits numbers may also be divided. Hope you understood. Okay. So now move on. Example number 3. Divide 8644 by 2. So we have, हमने सबसे पहले 2 से किया, 2 4 ज़ा 8, now 2 3 ज़ा 6, 6 में से 6 गए माइनस करेंगे 0, then 2 2 ज़ा 4, then 0 and again 2 2 ज़ा 4 and answer ये हमारा क्या आया 0. Okay, so 8644 divided by 2, that means 4322 is the answer. Similarly, example 4 beta. I hope you understood well. So now move on next, which is texting time 8.6. Here it is given, divide and find the quotient. So first one is 48 divided by 3. So let's start with that. 3 1 ज़ा 3, 4 में से 3 गए 1 माइनस ऊपर से 8 उतरा बिकम 18, 3 5 ज़ा 15 एंड यहाँ पर कितना आया 3. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर आंसर बेटा. I hope you understood well. So these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own. Okay, so now move on next one, which is word problems on division. So example number 1. A man is cycling at the rate of 9 km per hour. How long does he take to cover 126 km? Solutions. Total distance to be covered. कितना distance clear करना है उसने? Cover करना है 126 किलोमीटर. और 1 घंटे में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर होता है 9 किलोमीटर. सो टाइम टेकन कितना लगेगा 126 डिवाइडेड बाय 9, दैट मीन्स 14 आवर्स. सो हैंस द मैन टेक्स 14 आवर्स टू कवर 126 किलोमीटर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. सो नाउ मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट वन. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. The product of two number is 648. दो नंबर का प्रोडक्ट is given there. If one of them is 8, then find the other. So solutions. Product of the two number is 648. One number is 8. Now to find the other one, we have to just divide both the numbers, and hence the other number is 81 beta. Hope you understood well. Now example number 3. 5202 nails are packed equally in 9 boxes. How many nails are there in each boxes? Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे इसको divide बेटा. Number of nails कितने हैं 9 boxes में 5202. तो 1 boxes में कितने होंगे? Just divide both the number. Hence number of nails in each box we can say that is equal to 578. Hope you understood. Now example number 4. A bottle fruity cost ₹9. How many bottles of fruity can be bought for ₹90? Solutions. Total cost of bottles purchased 90. Cost of one bottle 9. So number of bottles purchased कितनी purchased हुई 90 को divided करेंगे 9 से, that means 10. Hence the 10 bottles can be bought for ₹90. Okay beta. So I hope you clear all example very nicely. So now move on. Texting time 8.7. So here it is given first question. A man distributed 1101 equally among his 3 sons. 3 बच्चों में इतना अमाउंट उसको आदमी क्या कर रहा है बराबर बराबर उसने बांटे. How many rupees did each son get? तो एक बच्चे को कितना अमाउंट मिला. So this is a clearly division sums. So let's start to solve it. 3 sons है. So we have to just multiply by 3 and 1101. 3 3s are 9. 11 में से 9 गए 2. ऊपर से उतरा 0. नाउ इट बिकम्स 20. 3 6 ज़ा 18. नाउ 20 में से 18 माइनस हो गए 2. नाउ ब्रिंग डाउन 1. इट बिकम्स 21. 3 7 ज़ा 21 बेटा. सो वी कैन से दैट 367 इज द आंसर ऑफ दैट वन, और ईच चाइल्ड और ईच सन गेट दैट मच ऑफ अमाउंट. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. सो दीज आर द अदर क्वेश्चंस. You have to complete it your own. Okay, so now move on next topic, which is division with remainder. Note here that in the process of divisions, once we get a remainder which is less than the divisor, we can't continue the process any further. Hope you understood. See the example for more clarity. Example number 1. So here it is given, divide 939 by 7 and check the result too, solutions. So 939 को 7 से divide करेंगे, so 7 1 is 7, 9 में से 7 minus हो गए 2, bring down 3 down, now it becomes 23, 7 3s are 21 and subtract करेंगे, then bring down 9, 29, then 7 4s are 28 और हमारा जो ये 1 बचा ये है remainder and 134 is the quotient. Now check. डिविडेंड कितना है हमारा 939, डिवाइजर 7, क्वोशंट 134, रिमाइंडर 1. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट डिवाइजर इनटू क्वोशंट प्लस रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू डिविडेंड बेटा. ओके, सो नाउ हम क्या करेंगे, डिवाइजर को क्वोशंट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, देन रिमाइंडर ऐड करेंगे. सो वी गेट डिविडेंड दैट इज 939. सो हैंस द आंसर इज करेक्ट. होप यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल स्टेप्स नाइसली. सो नाउ मूव ऑन. Next beta. Example 2. Divide 9895 by 8 and check the result. So like this, 8 1 is 8, minus करके 1 आया, then हमने ये 8 उतारा, कितना बन गया, 8 2 is 16, then 9 उतारा, 8 3 is 24, then bring down 5, so 8 6 is 48. So हमारा जो ये 7 आ गया, ये क्या बचा हमारा remainder and 1 2 3 6 8 is quotient. सो नाउ चेक योर आंसर्स. हम चेक कैसे करेंगे, डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशंट प्लस रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू कितना होना चाहिए, डिविडेंड. सो 9895 इज द डिविडेंड, हैंस द आंसर इज करेक्ट बेटा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सी द डिवीजन बाय 10. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3. फाइंड द क्वोशंट्स एंड रिमाइंडर व्हेन 96 को हम 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 10 9 is 90 और ये हमारा बचा 6, क्या बचा, yes, remainder and quotient is 9. Similarly, that one beta. Now conclusion, when a number is divided by 10, the quotient is obtained by removing the ones digits from the number. The digits at ones place is the remainder. Hope you understood well. So now texting time 8.8. So here it is given, find the quotient and remainder. So let's start. First one is 847. ओके, सो हम कैसे करेंगे, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 8 में से 8 गए माइनस, नथिंग, ब्रिंग डाउन 4, 2 2 ज़ा 4, देन क्रॉस, ब्रिंग डाउन 7, 2 3 ज़ा 6, देन 1. अब हम क्या बोल सकते हैं कि 1 हमारा रिमाइंडर है और 423 इज द क्वोशंट. I hope you understood well. So these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So now move on next, which is word problems. Example. 800 students are divided equally into 7 groups. 800 student हैं और group में हमने 7 इसको divide करना है, वो भी equally. How many students are there in each group and how many are left over? So let's see the solutions. Total number of student कितने हैं, 800. ग्रुप्स कितने हैं हमारे, 7. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन ईच ग्रुप, दैट मीन्स डिवाइड बोथ द नंबर्स एंड हैंस वी कैन से दैट देयर आर 114 स्टूडेंट्स इन ईच ग्रुप एंड 2 स्टूडेंट्स आर लेफ्ट ओवर, लाइक दैट वे बेटा. ओके, नाउ टेक्सटिंग टाइम 8.9. सो हेयर इट इज़ गिवन 100 ट्रीज आर टू बी प्लांटेड. 100 ट्रीज को प्लांट करना है. If 8 trees are planted in each row, और एक रो में 8 trees plant होने हैं, then how many rows are formed, okay, and how many plants are left over? So let's see the solutions of that particular one. So for that we just divide 100 with 8. So 8 1s are 8, 10 में से 8 minus करेंगे 2, then bring down 0 and we just 8 2s are 16. So now 4. So this is our answer beta. I hope you understood well. So these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood whole steps nicely. Just do practice and do rest of these examples yourselves beta.